back when you collect yesterday. You don't even spend 3 hours. You don't dey go.
Which kind of thunder you make you fire you and generation?
God punish you.
You dey mad?
Oh yeah, take on the
Get out.
God punish you as it be. Before you be like hippopotamus wey swallow SIM card. You no fine. See her hair. All the oshi.
Brother Shaggy.
Gbe mu so you have faglese. Longest I start dey fresh. You tafu.
Yes, so I went to the village to greet my grandma.
Your grandma. Oh, just okay.
Yes, she's
Coronavirus.
No, brother Shaggy.
Okay. Oh yeah, no wahala. Any question of the day. Oh yeah, me. Oh yeah, hit me.
What is the full meaning of USA?
USA.
Yes.
Say they want me. USA. Who don't know USA? USA, Barack Obama. George Bush. White House. Why can't they ask me USA? Who don't know USA?
Just give me the full meaning of USA.
Okay, but USA. It's the United States of America now. I don't want but why we dey Methodist get they teach us all these things. Oh yeah, you know I'm a head boy for Methodist. All these things we do it on assembly ground. Okay. Oh yeah, even when we line up on assembly ground like that, if somebody want to see song, it's me that will lead it. Okay. It's me that will say okay, oh yeah, oh, SIS2B, oh, SIS3C, oh yeah, go to your class. All those things, but I don't like to tell people to say it outside. You understand? Because when somebody is bright in future, oh yeah, it's bright forever. That's why they say what brighter knowledge. It shock you. That's why they say better knowledge.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay, brother Shaggy. What is the full meaning of UK?
Say UK.
Yes.
That's United States of a Kingdom.
What?
That kingdom come. You don't know am. Nothing. Wetin happen? Hey, you see as e be like skeleton wey dem dey use for explanation for biology class. No be God place of people.
Original mumu,